Say man, we are back with another video. And I'm going to break down a L. I actually took an L today, so our win streak has just been broken. But we are 4-1 this week. Across all of our accounts. Remember, I have a lot of accounts. So for this week we're 4-0. We had one Monday, Tuesday. Yesterday I did not place a trade. There was no opportunities for me, so I did not trade yesterday. Hence no video. But today I did trade. I ended up trading gold, and I took a loss. And I kind of know why I took a loss, but I want to break that down, just so you guys can know that I do take L's. You know what I'm saying? And I'm okay with it as long as I followed my plan, and as long as I can take it's like a learning lesson from it, right? So as long as I'm learning something from the L and I didn't take it blindly and I followed my rules, I'm okay with the L. So I'm going to break down the gold trade. Let me bring up trading view. I'm gonna break down this gold trade and why I end up taking the L. So I'm gonna go down to the daily time frame. On the daily, we did get this buy side liquidity being swept, and then we came down and had a nice bearish candle close. Now we did not close below the previous low, which probably should have been an inkling that price probably wanted to come back up and take some liquidity before it wants to go down, if it goes down. But that's a clear-cut sign that we might not be selling right away or want to take these lows just yet. We probably want to come up and take some sort of high before we do that. But hindsight, right? I'm looking at that now as what I need to probably pay attention to moving forward. So obviously, what I do is break down the same thing every day, right? Highs, previous day highs and previous day lows marked off. I marked off this buy side liquidity just because that's something I wanted to keep in mind. I should have marked off this area right here, seeing that price did not close below, but I did not. Going down to the 4-hour, I believe we were like kind of in this area. 4-hour wasn't really telling me anything just yet, but on the 1-hour is why I chose to wanted to take the sell, right? Again, keep in mind that I did not see the fact that we had not taken buy side liquidity just yet, right? On the daily time frame, we did not close below, which means we're probably going to come up and take some buy side liquidity first, and I was not paying attention to that. So the only thing I did see, and I think we were around this area right here, this 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock time, is that price closed below this minor structure. So to me, that was a market structure shift, right? So I'm looking for sales. Now, just because I lost today on the sell doesn't mean that my overall direction was wrong. It's just my timing and the area that I was looking at wasn't correct, right? So I broke down this market structure shift on the 1-hour, and I'm looking to see where price may want to go on the lower time frame, so the 15-minute or the 5-minute. And I saw that before all of this happened, I saw that we had this huge supply area sitting that was waiting to be tapped into. Now, again, hindsight, I should have also paid attention to the fact that we did not take, even when we made this low and we broke structure, we did not first take buy side liquidity, which means this was bound to get hit. And that was probably the major, or the biggest reason why I lost this one, because overall direction, I do think we're going to come down. But I think buy side liquidity had to be taken first. And I should have waited for that. I think I just saw this supply. It was just sticking out like a sore thumb, and I saw it, and I sent it out to my group. I think a couple other people who have taken it probably lost on this as well, but it is what it is. It is I would say today was a little bit stressful just because I also sent out a US 30 buy, but that one, I missed that one, and it ended up hitting. Let me show you that one right here. I ended up sending this out to the Discord, and that one played out, and I was not in it, and I was so mad just because you take an L, right? and it's okay. L's happen. You're not really, you know what I mean, gonna get frustrated with that, especially if you follow your rules. I followed my rules. I had, you know what I'm saying, the area of interest marked out. I had the bearish candle close, the break of that bearish candle, and it just went the opposite way. Shit happens, right? So I'm not mad at that. What I am just frustrated is that I marked off something, and because I was too focused on the gold trade and trying to figure out why, you know, what mistakes I had within this trade, I missed out on this one. And this one, I wouldn't have taken this on the same account that I lost on, just because I don't want to take 2 trades in a day on one account. But I would have potentially passed some other accounts that I had ready to take this trade. So that was a little frustrating, stressful in the sense of, you know what you're looking for. It's like an easy break and retest type of situation, and you just was not paying attention, and you missed it. This would have been a crazy. I don't think I would have got it right there. It's because that's super. No, yeah, I would have got it right there. It's a big stop loss for me, to be honest with you. That's a big stop loss. So, I probably would have held all the way up here for that. Really, the previous day highs are what I'm looking for. I mean, the buy side liquidity up here is what I'm looking for to tap, which it looks like it's going to. But that would have been a 1-6 RR if I had taken that. But sure, coulda, woulda. I missed out on it, and I just have to make sure that I am on top of my game when it comes to these trades that I'm sending out, and then I'm not focused and trying to figure out. I should just wait until after the trading day to try to figure out where I went wrong, and not like right then and there. Right? Lose, move on. That's what I'm learning from this. But so a little stressful when it comes to that. You know what I'm saying? Missing out on this opportunities. But then again, shit happens. Trades come and go. So I'm not really gonna beat myself up for it. But yeah, that's what I have for today. Let me show my face again. That's all I had for today's breakdown. Took a L, but it's okay. We're gonna show up again tomorrow, and do what we need to do. One thing I did want to say though, that is, I don't want you guys to start comparing, right? And I say this to myself as well. I don't want you guys to start comparing where I'm at, even seeing my payouts, seeing, you know what I'm saying, that I'm winning trades, even if you guys are losing trades or whatever it is. I don't want you guys to start comparing where you are in your journey to where I'm at in my journey, right? And again, I'm saying this to myself too. Like, even people who are way above me, I cannot compare my chapter 1 to their chapter 10, right? Like, where I'm at right now is where I'm supposed to be. My journey every single day of me seeing, you know what I'm saying, how I'm improving on a day-to-day basis is meant for me to go through the things that I'm going through. It's meant for me to have the ups and downs. It's meant to me to succeed in one area and then have to take another journey to try to succeed in another area. So I just wanted to say that, so you guys, there's a lot of people who you know, are really just comparing their, like, wishing they were further in their journey than they are right now. But I just want to just reiterate, take your time with this. You know, trading is rewarding, but trading also is bigger than just trading. It is showing you guys who you are as a person, and you have to really sit within that, right? So you have to take it day by day. You have to understand that the journey in itself is the reward. Even though you have a goal that you have set, even though you have a end goal where you want to be with this trading journey, understanding that every day is a reward to kind of see that you have, you know, transformed or had growth every single day, right? Every single day you're learning something. Every single day you are taking the time to take in the knowledge that you need to take in, and then you're being able to learn from it, learn from the losses, learn from the wins. You know what I'm saying? So I don't want you guys to compare your where you are right now to where you think you should be. Make sure you guys take your time with this journey. Take your time with your trading. You will get to where you want to be. I'm not where I want to be yet. I know there's levels to where I want to be. You know what I'm saying? Like there's steps that I know I still need to take, but I know I'm gonna get there. So take that, do what you will with that. I will see you guys on tomorrow's journey. If I take a trade tomorrow, I'll see you guys on that particular video. Tomorrow is Friday, so you know what that means. We lower our risk tomorrow. We don't like to lose on a Friday, even though we lost today, but we don't like to lose on a Friday. So even if you do lose, you make sure that you minimize those losses if possible. So I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.